Hi, in this video we're going to add more assets so that we can have something to interact with the burger. So open Visual Studio and open our Burger Pong project. And we don't have Solution Explorer visible, so other windows, Solution Explorer, there it is. And we need to add the image, so right click, add existing item. We need to navigate up to our, let's do it this way. Okay, game assets, and we're looking for the plate. And there it is, plate.png. Add it, there it is. Okay, that's good. So now we need some variables for that. So up here at the top, there we go. We've got our burger variables. Now let's add plate, so texture 2D. And call it sprite plate. And now we need a position, so vector 2, sprite plate underscore pause. Plate underscore pause, there we go. And a vector 2 for dimensions. So sprite plate underscore dims. We don't need a speed because this is going to be user controlled. The others are all the same, but no speed. Okay, so initialize. We're going to set our initial position, and we want this kind of in the middle down towards the bottom. So sprite plate with a little tongue twister. Position.x. Set this to 325, kind of out there in the middle. Remember, this is the top left corner. Sprite plate pause.y down towards the bottom, 425. And now we need our dimensions. So sprite plate dims x. It's about 150 wide, about the same as the burger. And sprite plate dims y here. It's thinner. We're going to call this 50. That's not as critical a dimension. And those are all together. I'm going to bring these burger values together just so the burger values are all together and the plate values are all together. Looks a little cleaner. Now we need to, in the load content here, bring in the image. So sprite plate equals content.load. There we go. And less than, and it's texture 2D. IntelliSense maybe is a little in the way. And it's in the images directory. 2 backslashes and plate, and again no suffix necessary, and ending quotes, ending parend. There we go, and don't forget semicolon. And then we're looking for the draw method. Probably should have gone up and just found it. There it is. So underneath the burger, remember, since we're doing it under the burger, it'll be drawn on top. Burger drawn first, then the plate. Sprite batch.draw, sprite plate, and then comma, and sprite plate pause for position. We don't need this tinted. The image is actually blue, so just the color white, so no tint. And there it is. That's good. All right, let's see what we've got. We'll run it here. And compiles, no errors, there we go. Burger comes up, should bounce. We shouldn't have changed that at all. And here it comes, and it should pass underneath. Yep, underneath the plate. That's it. That's all we've got. Don't have it moving yet, so we close that. And now we'll work on getting it to move. So see you next time.